Today on Made to Hack, I waste a whole bunch of cutoff wheels. Last year, my entry for Emma's Spareroom Machineshop toolmaking competition was a dismal failure. I was no match for the winner, Adventures with a Small Lathe, who used an army of Lego men to do his bidding. I decided that I too would hire the same Lego artisans this year to help me to victory.
Hey there, Lego men? You guys want to come work on a project? What do you mean you're on strike? Low wages and unsafe working conditions? What? I guess it goes to show you just can't trust those YouTubers.
But it seems fortune was not smiling upon me. I had to rethink my strategy. A suitably rainy day was chosen, and appropriate Asian music was sourced. This was to become an epic hero's journey. Like all heroes, I had to prepare my weapons and armor for the fight ahead.
In war, one must always be knolling clockwise one's tools. Sun Tzu, The Art of War. Not this year, rule number 2. Not this year.
With my weapons sorted, I had to prepare myself spiritually. I stopped by the local Zen machinist shrine where I made an offering of sandvik and lit some incense. With the spiritual taken care of, I decided to send some nice postcards to the judges.
My next task was to find the proper piece of steel, and I had to look hard amongst much lesser pieces of steel. Could this be? Are my eyes deceiving me? Is this what I think it is? No, it's just a regular piece of track. It'll have to do.
So after watching this old Tony's video on the Bruce Lee 1-inch punch, I knew I had my technique down. It was all in the hips. All in the hips. Ah, fucking cock. God damn it. Ah, that's not the... We interrupt this program with an important public announcement.
Should you have a friend who happens to have a bandsaw, and this friend happens to enjoy an adult beverage, I recommend you take a 6-pack, better yet a 12-pack of that person's favorite beverage, and let them use the bandsaw to cut this entire piece of steel. Because using cutoff discs to fashion and shape a giant piece of track is a really stupid idea.
When you have a friend with a bandsaw, use that friend.
And now back to our regularly scheduled broadcast. After a few days, I returned to the shrine only to notice that all the carbide had been consumed. This I took as a good sign, perhaps even a good omen. I made one final offering with my completed tool so that I may give thanks for the guidance provided by the shrine. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, make sure to turn on notifications to receive updates whenever I post a new video. If you like what you saw, hit that like button as well.